Science is everywhere, from the vastness of space to the roaring launch of rockets to the shells under a microscope. These are the wonders that science helps us understand. But when these discoveries appear in scientific journals, they're often buried under complex language, understandable only to experts in that specific field. We believe that updated science should reach everyone, every student, every researcher, every curious mind eager to understand the world better. That's why the Rosalind Franklin Council of Scientific Research brings you a new initiative, Science Factor, a free, monthly science magazine. Science Factor takes the most relevant and fascinating scientific research from around the world, including from India's top institutes, and transforms them into engaging, storytelling-style articles that are easy to understand and fun to read. Whether you're a student just starting out, a researcher diving deeper, or even a seasoned scientist looking for fresh inspiration, there's something here for you. In our first issue, explore stories like The Mystery Man, a hidden chapter in India's genetic story, the story hidden in Anya's blood, a genetic portrait of India, Aditi's curious cell, where curiosity uncovers the secret life of cells. Nina's crystal code, where artificial intelligence meets atomic order, Nina finds the code. A tiny fly with big clues, from buzzing around fruit to unlocking human genes. The shape-shifting enemy, an enemy with no fixed form, and no intention of backing down. The fever that hides in the hills, it doesn't roar, it whispers. But its impact echoes through the valleys. The curious spill, painting. With molecules, how the coffee rings helped grow. Ultra-thin crystals. Grandpa's story about the moon, Chandrayaan makes dreams real, and the rain that came from the east, it began in the ocean, traveled with the wind. In the innovation section, uncover cutting-edge breakthroughs like a nasal spray that calms the brain and nature's new weapon against malaria. A smart wound healing gel and technology that turns air and water into fertilizer. Smart gardening tools and a smarter, safer battery. The rust whisper and even a thinking tractor. A smarter way to use methane, making clean hydrogen, and green nanotech with aloe vera, powering the future. You'll also find an interactive career section, where students can identify their strengths and discover the right scientific paths. Plus, opportunities for fellowships, lab showcases, and more. All of this is completely free. Designed to spread science, spark curiosity, and empower the next generation of scientific minds. If you're passionate about discovery, if you wonder about how the world works, consider this your invitation to join us as an advisor or associate in building a better science tomorrow. We envision this free magazine reaching every curious and inspired mind, shaping the scientific spirit that will define our future. This is Science Factor, and this is your time to explore.